My kids aren't interested in conserving energy just like I am, so every bulb in our house is low watt and high efficiency. Because of this, nothing we built with this product worked. When we read the manual more carefully and noticed that we needed a 100 watts bulb to charge the panel, we were able to solve the problem and have a lot of fun with this kit. I bought the set just to get the solar panel and the DC motor. I built a rig with a string drive to a 4-inch wooden pulley which drives a wooden link and pumps a rocking bar up and down. It doesn't accomplish anything but looks impressive. The panel delivers enough power to drive the motor which makes the whole rig pump away looking like a fast oil well pump. It makes an impressive demonstration of solar power at work. I originally got this because I am interested in using solar power as an emergency backup and wanted to get a feel for it, and learn more by playing around with this kit. The book that comes with it is very clear and easy for children to understand. My 10-year-old daughter fell in love with it, and has enjoyed hooking the various components to the solar panel. She even decided to use it as part of her science fair project. I've purchased a series of these Elenco kits for my autistic nephew. He loves them. This one was especially perfect as he is obsessed with solar lights. His other aunt actually buys him solar lawn lights. He'll play with these for hours. He calls it working as in mom, not now, him working, unsupervised. He's 10 years old now and I've been buying them for him for 2 years. I can't recommend them enough. I am really impressed with Elenco electric circuitry sets. They are incredible. For elementary children, a perfect activity to share with grandparents. Click link in description for more reviews.